Hello everyone. I've been asked to do a couple of videos to demonstrate how I use the IP trading data spreadsheets for trading. I imagine most of you have found your way here. You've done so via the Red8 HK Syndicate, as they were the ones who asked me to demo the use of the spreadsheets for their UK membership. They've used their incredible expertise in the Hong Kong market to create opportunities for traders in the UK. I've been using these for about a year, just over a year now, and found them very profitable. Anyway, regardless of how you found yourself here, you're all very welcome. This is the first of two videos. This one will be very quick. The second one a bit longer because it'll take you through a trading day. But as I said, first video will be a quick look over the daily spreadsheet that I receive each day from iptradingdata, and the follow-up second video is longer, showing a trade in some detail using the spreadsheets, and I share my reasoning for the trades made. And I take you through some more trades made that day. As you'll see from the second video, even with a small trading bank, you can generate profits consistently, which turn into a more than satisfactory annual income. So if we look at the spreadsheet, you'll note the simplicity of the layout. The last thing you want when races go off so close to each other with a strategy that requires trading reasonably close to the off is to have busy spreadsheets, and this serves all my purposes. As you'd expect, basic race information to the left, before it displays some of the other information. So you've got race, distance, horse, trainer, and jockey as your basic race information. And thereafter we get into the clever bit, starting with column F through to column J. The brief way the IR data price was described to me is that the algorithm that produces the in-running expected figure has been adapted from the syndicate's successful Hong Kong model. It gives customers the bottom line benefit of some complex algorithms, creating a figure for each horse which reflects the horse getting to the winning line first, but then runs the model thousands of times over to produce a confident in-running position in the race and an expected price that should be achieved in running. So that's the IR data price figure. You've obviously got the draw, so what stall they're going to be in, and then the pace rating and pace expectancy. These give you an expected position in the race based on thousands of model races. When considering a trade where you allow the market to turn in play, it is essential you have confidence in how the race will be run. The pace rating figure is calculated using the horse's history, but also adjusts for the impact value of such things as change of trainer, different headgear, etc. So it's quite a clever tool. Moving on to the credibility figure in column J. Again, I just think this is genius. The pace credibility figure is interesting. It provides a confidence figure for the pace pattern rating, taking into account previous actual over expected on pace patterns, and this includes such things as jockey ability from the stall, jockey's contribution to past performances, advantage of draw position comparative to expected pace, etc. So again, an incredibly valuable figure that highlights the confidence I should take when I'm thinking of considering opening a trade and putting an order in the market. You'll see that there are gaps in the spreadsheet. Quite simply, it's been put to me that if they don't have enough information, they won't produce figures, and quite rightly so. Just with a thought about sort of credibility and the credibility figure there, if I just sort of take you down to those, let's try and find one here. Okay, let's take a look at a bit of a quirk. So a lot of traders like to play the front runners, so putting orders in the market just before the off. Hopefully they'll get taken, and then as the horse gets out early and gets out in the lead, price comes crashing in. They lay those prices off, and before the market then rebounds back to its probably normal market position. So if we take a look at a bit of a quirk here, running it in the 406 at Beverley, you'll see that its pace rating is 10. Pace expectancy is that it will lead, perhaps along with Lockdown Dream, but it gives a credibility figure of 90. Now that gives me a great deal of confidence that a bit of a quirk will get out and lead. So if I'm looking at my spreadsheet here and looking at an in-running play of around 8s, if I can get any starting price at double that figure, that would be nice, and then maybe to lay it off just above the 8s, that would serve to be a successful trade. So that just gives you an indication of these credibility figures. So not a lot else. Like I said this would be a quick video. I hope you all agree these are simple to understand, they're easy on the eye. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in seeing how I trade with these spreadsheets to generate daily profits, please take a look at the additional videos on this channel, and additional information can be found in the video description. So see you soon.